Welcome to the Carpet Central Shortline. In this video, I will demonstrate a fun game I play on my carpet layout. You imagine that you are the train engineer, and the dispatcher has given you a train order to work. I call the game Train Orders. The game is simple enough that the whole family can play. The game consists of the train cars you already have, railroad loading docks that you create, and train orders that you make. I will demonstrate the game to show how easy it is to set up and play. This is a schematic of my current layout. The green markers represent loading docks for industries needing carloads of goods dropped off or picked up. Train orders will specify the train cars that need moving and where to move them. I will pretend that I am the engineer in a switch engine.
And it looks pretty too. It does.
I start by taking the top card from a deck of train orders. Here is the work order I picked. It is for the Morton Salt Factory. The blue container with the little girl holding an umbrella in the rain is iconic. With a little imagination, I can see a salt factory with a loading dock in front. The advantage of using this simple representation of an industry is that it is quick to make, can be placed in different locations on the layout, costs nothing, and it is easy to pick up and store, which is very important with carpet layouts. Back to the train order. I make these with Microsoft Word. Under the train order number and dock name, in yellow are the goods that may be dropped off or picked up and the associated car type. Then 3 jobs. The first job is to check if there is a car already at the dock. And I see there is a box car at the salt factory dock. The train order instructs me to take box cars to the cars out to Mainline's track. My Lionel couplers have to be hit together pretty hard for them to work. I have glued fishing weights underneath my cars to make them weigh at least 10 ounces. Then when they get bumped, they stay on the track. I have completed the first job on the train order. Job number 2 is to pick up and drop off a hopper car. I see the cars between 2 other cars. Separating the hopper car out from between the other 2 cars will take some work. Notice the brown post with a green flag on the top. These mark where uncoupler magnets are located. Also, there is not enough room between tracks to step here, so the no step sign reminds the grandkids. I start by setting the carload of wood off on track 3. My Lion Chief switch engine has electrocouplers both front and rear. Next, I pick up the hopper car. Last, I put the carload of wood back on track 2. Now all I have to do is drop the full hopper car off at the salt factory dock and return to the engine shop. Train order number 101 is done and its card is put on the bottom of the work order deck. The engineer had to change direction 9 times to get the hopper car out from between the other cars. The job could have been done in several different ways. Often there are cars left from previous train orders blocking your way. Train orders are great with operating accessories like this crane. The job includes both car movements and crane operation. And you can have a helper running the crane.
High enough.
In conclusion, this is as simple a game as possible to make and play. By having train orders, there is an objective in running your train. Multiple players alternate after each train order. If you like this video, please subscribe.